Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to transfer TurboTax documents to TurboTax Desktop Home and Business on macOS. Now, imagine this. It's tax season again, and you're dreading the thought of re-entering all of your information from last year's taxes into TurboTax Desktop Home and Business on your Mac. It's a tedious task, right? But don't worry, because today we're going to walk through a simple, time-saving process that will help you transfer your TurboTax documents seamlessly. This will make your life much easier by eliminating the need to input all your data from scratch. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to visit the official TurboTax website. So go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. It could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like to use. In the address bar, type in the TurboTax website address to land on their homepage. This site is your gateway to all the tools and resources you'll need to tackle your taxes efficiently. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account credentials to log in. It's essential that you use the account associated with your previous year's tax return. So, take a moment to ensure your login details are up to date and accurate. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be greeted by the TurboTax homepage. Think of this as your central hub for all things tax-related. From here, you need to find a section or link that mentions taxes or something similar. This is crucial because this section houses the tools necessary for managing your current year's tax documents. Now, once you're in the relevant taxes section, your next step is to locate the Tax Tools option. This feature is generally positioned along the sidebar or hidden within a drop-down menu. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will reveal an array of additional options that are designed to assist you in handling your tax information effectively. Among the options under Tax Tools, look for the one labeled Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer. This is the key feature that allows you to import data from your previous year's tax documents directly into your current year's TurboTax account. By utilizing this feature, you can avoid the hassle of manually entering all your tax information again. Ensure that your TurboTax file is accessible on your Mac. It might be saved in your Downloads folder, or perhaps in another directory you prefer to store files. When prompted by TurboTax, locate your tax return file and select it to initiate the transfer process. TurboTax will then take care of the heavy lifting by automatically importing the data from your return. You'll be presented with a summary of the information being imported. This is your chance to review and confirm that everything looks accurate and complete. It's always wise to double-check for any discrepancies to ensure a smooth tax filing experience. Once you're confident that all the imported data is correct, you can proceed with finishing your tax return with peace of mind. And there you have it. Transferring your TurboTax documents to the TurboTax Desktop Home and Business Edition on macOS is really as straightforward as that. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to transfer TurboTax documents to TurboTax Desktop Home and Business on macOS, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.